ProTinkerToys.com. This is another car from Scalextric. This is a BMW police car. C4165. Looks like a British police car. A BMW 330i M Sport. I tell you, BMW is really popular in Europe. Oh, check this out. Oh, it's got a sound to it. Oh, cool. Only got 3 screws. Okay, well, I'll undo this one. It's got 3 screws. So this has sound effects too. So you want to have this for your layout, especially for kids. What? I know that. Well, can I look at that camera too? All right, I'm filming. All right, so this is your electronics. Got your little speaker here. That's the speaker. Okay. See, this is why it's costing so much to make these cars, guys. Is all of these components in here. I frankly don't think they should be in there. I think your car should be like the poly cars, a basic slot car, because your prices are much lower. Now, that's my opinion. You know, I'm sure that everybody's got their own opinion. If you guys don't mind spending $50, $60 for a slot car, technically I think they could be a lot less, but that's just my opinion. And who knows what my opinion is. All right, so let's see what this sounds like. This would be a good car to have just on your track, especially with the police car. Oh, I'm sorry, I looked at the camera again. Well, why do you go over there? That's the police car, so let's see what this sounds like. Oh, that's cool. All right, that's something you have to have on your track. You have to have one of these police cars. Let the kids race the police car. They'll have a blast. That's cool. And that is item number C4165. C4165. The police car. Okay, this is a must. This is available at ProTinkerToys.com. You better get it on order before they're out of stock. Okay, I don't know how many I got. I think I got 6. I buy 6 every car unless they're super. I think they're super cool, and I'll buy more. So this is the police car, C4165. Don't forget to get subscribe, notifications, hit the subscribe button, everything. Have a great day.